I look like a ghost, but first of all, it's the lighting, and second of all that's gonna seep in at the end. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see below, this is going to be my St. Patrick's Day look. I just got my first Morphe palette. I got the 35B palette. And so I guess I'll do kind of like a first impressions of this too. So I did open the box, but I didn't like take it out. So this is it. The Color Burst palette. As you guys know, I only have two other palettes. I have the Fenty Galaxy palette, which is like all glitter, and then I have my trusty Tarte Let in Bloom palette. So I needed like some other colors, like some matte and shimmers in other colors, you know. So that's why I got this. Now the packaging, I like it. I think it's really pretty. So this is the actual palette itself. Is very basic and simple. It just has Morphe on it, and then it tells you which palette it is right here in the bottom corner. So it's 35B. And when you open it up, it's a plastic container, so you know, I mean, it should still protect everything. Now there's no mirror on the inside, but these are all the colors. Isn't that so nice? It looks like a true black down here, which I needed, and then it goes all the way up to, it's not, well, I guess that's white. It's kind of like a light cream color. They have a couple neutrals. They even have yellow, a glittery yellow. Like, so I'll definitely be going into those today. And then they have all these greens right here, which I'll be going into today as well, because like I said, it's going to be my St. Patrick's Day look. Okay, so I'm going to start this look off the same way that I normally do. I'm just going to take my Fenty primer and just go ahead and prime my face. Alright, so next I'm just going to go ahead and get into my eyebrows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade in the color Ebony. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Sephora Bright Concealer, Bright Futures Concealer, and clean up my eyebrows. Alright, so now I'm going to do my eyes. I'm just going to lay my tape down real quick, and then I'm going to go in and prime my eyes with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my Morphe 35B palette. I can open it. And I'm going to take this color right here, this green, and go into my crease. So the color payoff is not that bad, actually. It's showing up pretty good, pretty true. Alright, so now I'm gonna just go in, concentrate a little bit more on the outside and a little here with the deepest green right here. Alright, so now I'm gonna deepen the crease a little bit more with the black here. Oh, let me get in the camera. The black here. Alright, so now I'm gonna go and cut my crease a little bit. I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. So I'm gonna go back into this outer area with that dark green one more time, and this time I'm using a more packed brush. Alright, so now I'm gonna go over my inner lid area with this shimmery yellow here. Alright, so real quick, I'm just going to go in with this shimmery light green right here, and I'm just going to put that in the middle as a transition color. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my e.l.f. cream eyeliner in black, and I'm going to do my wing really quick. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and do my foundation. I'm using, ooh, top came off. I'm using Fenty Beauty in 440. Alright, so I'm gonna take my Kat Von D Lock It Concealer in D37, and I'm just gonna highlight my areas. And I'm going to be contouring with my Fenty Matchstick and Expresso. Alright, so now I'm going to set my face with my Invisimatte Fenty blotting powder. I look like a ghost, but first of all, it's the lighting, and second of all that's going to seep in at the end. Alright, so I haven't used this highlighter in a while, but I'm actually going to go in with my Urban Decay Naked Illuminated palette in the color Lit. This was my first highlighter. I'm still happy. I just haven't used it in a while. So I'm also going to take that highlight, and go in on my tear duct. Alright, so today I'm going to use my Plush. Ooh, look at this. I'm going to gonna use my Plush lashes by Sephora. Alright, so I can't find my black lipstick, but thanks guys for watching, and I'm gonna find it and then finish this up and do the slow-mo at the end. I'm kind of running late for work, so thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think, what you guys are doing for St. Patrick's Day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.